Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. What follows are my personal experiences using this tool. Fill.us has a clean, minimalist aesthetic. It's immediately appealing because it's not visually overwhelming. The simplicity extends to its functionality, focusing primarily on backlinks and graph visualization. This makes it easy to jump between connected ideas and explore how your notes relate to each other. While the backlink feature is pretty standard in most note-taking apps, Fill.us presents them in a way that feels less cluttered and more focused. The graph visualization is where Fill.us truly shines. It provides a dynamic, interactive map of your knowledge base, allowing you to see the connections between your thoughts in a spatial manner. You can drag and drop nodes, cluster related ideas, and really get a bird's-eye view of your entire knowledge graph. A unique feature of Fill.us is its approach to search. Rather than relying on traditional keyword search, Fill.us uses a fuzzy search algorithm that allows for more flexible and intuitive discovery. This means you can find notes even if you don't remember the exact wording used within them. It's especially useful when exploring loosely connected ideas or trying to recall something you vaguely remember. This fuzzy search, combined with the graph visualization, creates a powerful exploration tool. You can visually navigate your notes and then use the fuzzy search to refine your exploration based on concepts rather than strict keywords. However, Fill.us is not without its limitations. The minimalist approach, while visually appealing, can also feel somewhat restrictive. There's a lack of advanced formatting options, and features like tagging and hierarchies are absent. This might be a deal-breaker for users who require more robust organizational tools. Furthermore, the focus on backlinks and graph visualization might not suit everyone's workflow. If your note-taking style is more linear or list-based, the spatial approach of Fill.us might not be as effective. It's definitely geared towards those who prefer a more networked and interconnected way of thinking and organizing information. Ultimately, Fill.us is a powerful tool for visualizing and exploring connections between ideas, but its minimalist nature might not be ideal for everyone.